Can you imagine a washing machine that is not only efficient but smart too? Let me introduce you to LG top load washing machine that not only washes your clothes perfectly but is smart enough to make your life easier and more comfortable than ever before. LG's AIDD not only detects the weight of the laundry but also senses the fabric's type with the help of AI and precision of direct drive technology. Based on the huge data of accumulated washing experiences, AIDD offers the most optimized washing pattern from 20,000 wash patterns for every load to take good care of your laundry. You know, LG washing machines use a combination of 6 motions based on hand washing to wash your clothes. Simply choose a cycle and your machine selects the best combination of washing motions to give you an outstanding wash while also caring for your clothes. LG top-load washing machines come with an inbuilt heater for deeper cleaning. It helps dissolve detergent more effectively and removes tough stains and allergens, giving a more hygienic wash. Perfect for Indian conditions, kids' uniforms and everyday wear. Furthermore, with LG's TurboWash feature, you can wash your favorite dress in just 39 minutes. And you know what? LG's TurboDrum gives you a super powerful wash by creating a strong water stream with the drum and pulsator rotating in opposite directions. It tackles even the toughest dirt with ease. Pretty amazing, right? And the best part about this washing machine is its LG ThinQ with Wi-Fi. This app helps you control and monitor the machine and makes laundry more convenient. So if you are looking for an efficient and smart top-load washing machine, then LG is the perfect choice for you.